Story Emporium. Can you create a new story? Choose a story. Tap the blue arrows for more stories. Tap the green play button to choose a story. Wake up, June June! Can you help the wombats wake up June June in time to eat ice cream? Wake up, June June! First, choose where your story takes place. The Eat and Greet Cafe. Choose who is in your story. Zadie, choose what they do in your story. What will they do to try to wake up June June? Give flowers. When you're ready to read your story and see what happens, tap the check mark. If you tap the green play button to start reading. Wake up, June June! One day at the Eat and Greet Cafe, there was yummy ice cream. But June June was napping. He wouldn't wake from his dream. June June, wake up! Zadie started to shout. I just have to wake him. I can't let him miss out. Zadie looked around. Will this wake him up? She gave June June flowers she found in a cup. The flowers smelled so good that June June woke up from his sleep. He jumped to his feet with a big, happy leap. Hooray! He's awake! Now we can all eat ice cream for breakfast! Woohoo! What a treat! The end. That was a fun story to read. You found a different way to create your story. What else could you change?